Hi children, good morning. In the previous video, we have learned important problems in geometric progression. In this video, also we have to learn some more important problems based on geometric progression only. Particularly here, if P, Q, R are an AB, show that the P term, Q term and R terms of any GP are also in Z. First of all, given P, Q and R are in A. Therefore, Q minus P equal to R minus Q. Okay, that is one of the conditions from the given. Next one, let A be the first term and capital R be the common difference, common ratio then TP, P term equal to AR power P minus 1. TQ, AR power Q minus 1. TR, AR power R minus 1. Okay? But also they are given. Okay, P term, Q term and R term of GP they are asking, that's why. So, TP, TQ, TR are in G. If then TQ by TP equal to TR by TQ. That implies TQ means AR power Q minus 1. TP AR power P minus 1. TR AR power R minus 1. TQ AR power Q minus 1. Here A cancel. Then we get R power Q minus 1 minus P plus 1 equal to here R power R minus 1, then Q minus 1 becomes minus Q plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. R power Q minus P equal to R power R minus Q. Bases equal, powers need to be equal. Here Q minus P equal to R minus Q. Q minus P equal to R minus Q. Okay, we proved this theorem by RHS to LHS. Okay, they gave PQR are in AP, then show that P, Q, R terms of any GP are also in GP. Given P, Q, R and AP, then Q minus P equal to R minus Q. Let A be the first term and R be the common ratio, then P term, Q term and R terms I wrote. Then they gave P, Q, R terms of any GP, means TP, TQ, TR are in GP, then second by first, third by second equal to R, common ratio. So with the help of that one, after simplification, we got Q minus P equal to R minus Q. So the given conditions are satisfied. Okay, while coming to second problem, if the P, Q rth terms of a GP be respectively a comma b and c. Prove that a power q minus r into b power r minus p into c power p minus q equal to 1. Let a be the first term and r be the common ratio then small a equal to let capital A be the first term. Small a equal to a r power p minus 1 because pth term is respectively a, qth term is b, rth term is c. That's why a equal to a r power p minus 1, b equal to a r power q minus 1, c equal to a r power r minus 1. Now LHS equal to a power q minus r into b power r minus p into c power p minus q. Okay. Here a means a r power p minus 1 whole power q minus r. Again, a r power q minus 1 whole power r minus p. Again, a r power r minus 1 whole power p minus q. Here, a power q minus r plus by using first law of exponent, a power x, a power y, a power z, a power x plus y plus z. That's it. Here, this power belongs to a as well as r. Here also a and r. Here also a and r. That's why I'll write at a stretch. Here a power q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q into r power p minus 1 into q minus r. P minus 1 into q minus r plus here q minus 1 into r minus p plus r minus 1 into p minus q in this way. Next, here q minus q, p minus p, r can cancel a power 0 into r power p cube minus pr minus q plus r plus qr minus p cube minus r plus p plus pr minus qr minus p plus q. Here pq pr here qr get cancelled, q minus q, p minus p, r minus r get cancelled. Mean here a power 0, r power 0 equal to 1. A power 0, r power 0 equal to 1. Okay, most important application, second one. If the pth, qth and rth terms of a GP respectively a, b and c, prove that a power q minus r into b power r minus p into c power p minus q equal to 1. We have to prove let capital A be the first term and capital R be the common ratio because a and r also give. So small a equal to a r power p minus 1 tp. Small b equal to q, a r power q minus 1. Small c equal to tr, a r power r minus 1. LHS a power q minus r, b power r minus p, c power p minus q they gave. A means a r power b minus 1, b means a r power q minus 1, c means a r power r minus 1. that power belongs to A as well as R. That's A power Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. R power P minus 1 into Q minus R plus Q minus 1 into R minus P plus R minus 1 into P minus Q. If you split both of the terms get cancelled. Mean A power 0, R power 0 we will get. So something power 0 gives 1 as the result. That one we are aware. Next one, the third one. 3 numbers whose sum is 15 are in AB. If 1, 4 and 19 are added to them respectively, are added to first term, second term and third term of a given AB. If you add 1, 4 and 19, the resultants will be in ZP. Then find the numbers they are asking. So, let the 3 numbers be A minus D, A plus D, because they are in AB. Selection of 3 terms from AB. A minus D, A plus D. The sum is 15 they gave. So here A minus D plus A plus D equal to 15. Here minus D plus D they cancel. 3A equal to 15. A equal to 5. Now another result they gave. What is another result? If 1 is added to the first term, what is the first term here? A minus D plus 1, comma. Next term, A plus 4, comma. A plus D plus 9 are in ZP. So we got A value 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus D. Here 5 plus 4, 9. Next A mean 5. 5 plus 9, 24 plus D are in GP. We know 3 numbers are in GP. Then B square equal to AC. Mean 9 square equal to 6 minus D into 24 plus D. 81 equal to 6 into 24. 144 plus 6D minus 24D minus D. Transfer here. D square minus 18D. Here 144 minus 81. Here minus already given. So minus 63 equal to 0. So 63 in terms of 18. 21 3s. So D square here plus 21 minus 3D minus 16. D plus 21 minus 3. Here also D plus 21 equal to 0. D equal to 3 or minus 20. D equal to 3 or minus 21. Okay, once observe this one. 3 numbers whose sum is 15 are in AB. So selection of terms from AB. A minus D, A plus D are 3 terms of AB. The sum is 15 here. That's A minus D plus A plus D equal to 15. A equal to 5. Then if you add 1, 4 and 19 to them, that means the given terms. A minus D, A plus D. If you add, you will get a 6 minus D, 9, 24 plus D. They are in GP. If 3 numbers are in GP, we know that B square equal to AC. So 9 square equals 6 minus D into 24 plus D. Okay, if you multiply 6 minus D and 24 plus D, you will get a 144 plus 6D minus 24D minus D square. If you transfer this one, D square plus 18D minus 63 equals 0. 63 in terms of 18 means 21 3s. d equal to 3 or minus 21. So we want the numbers. We know the value of a as well as d. Then we can find the three numbers. What are the three numbers? A equal to 5 and d equal to 3 or minus 21. Here a minus d means 5 minus 3 equal to 2. A means 5. A plus b equal to 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 2, 5 and 8. If 1 is added to 2 becomes 3. 4 is added to 5 becomes 9. 19 is added to 8 becomes 27. They are GB because 9 square equal to 3 into 27. 9 square equal to 3 into 27. Okay, satisfied the condition. The next problem. If the arithmetic mean of two unequal positive real numbers a and b, a greater than b. Two positive numbers they give. Arithmetic mean of these two positive numbers b twice as great as their geometric mean. The arithmetic mean is 2 times greater than its geometric mean. And show that a is to be equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Important. Solution for this one. Here, a, two numbers they only give a and b. Arithmetic mean of a and b is a plus b by 2. Geometric mean of a and b is root ab. One common condition we give, that is a plus b by 2 is greater than root ab. So a plus b equal a plus b by 2 is equal to 2 times of GL. So here a plus b equal to 4 root ab. A plus b equal to 4 root ab. First condition. The help of a plus b, we can find a minus b. A minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4a. Here a plus b 4 root ab whole square minus 4a. 4 square means 16. Root ab whole square means ab minus 4a. Here a minus b whole square equal to 12ab we get. Therefore, a minus b equal to root over 12ab. Root over 12ab. That is second one. So here, first one is a plus b equal to 4 root ab. If we divide first by second, we get a plus b by a minus b equal to 4 root ab by root 12 in 2 root 3 root a. Root ab get cancelled. Here 2 times. So a plus b by a minus b equal to 2 by root 3. By component on dividend a plus b plus a minus b by a plus b minus of a minus b equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So here b get cancelled 2a. Here a get cancelled 2b will get 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So 2 get cancelled. Finally, a is to b equal to 2 plus root 3 is to Okay, once observe that one. If arithmetic mean of two unequal positive real numbers a and b, a greater than b is the condition, b twice as great as their geometric mean. So that a is to be equal to 2 plus root 3 is to 2 minus root 3. Arithmetic mean of a and b is a plus b by 2. Geometric mean of a and b is root ab. Here am equal to 2 times of gm they give. That's why a plus b by 2 equal to 2 into root ab. A plus b equal to 2 to 4 root ab. With the help of a plus b, you can find a minus b by using special product. A minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So 4 root ab whole square minus 4ab equal to 12ab. Okay, a minus b equal to root over 12ab. Root 12 means root 4 into root 3. Root 4 means 2. 2 root 3 root ab. Root ab get cancelled if you divide 1 by 2. A plus b by a minus b equal to 2 by root 3 we got. With the help of component and dividendo, a by b equal to c by d mean a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. By using that one, a plus b by a minus b equal to 2 by root 3. So a plus b plus a minus b by a plus b minus of a minus b equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. LHS part b cancelled in numerator. In the denominator a get cancelled, you will get 2b by 2a by 2b equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Okay, finally we will get the a is to be equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Okay, next problem. Mr. Alex borrows rupees 32,760 without interest. And agrees to pay back in 12 monthly installments. In 12 monthly installments. Each installment being twice the preceding one. Find the second and last installments. Find the second and the last installment. Mr. Alex borrows 32,760 and he agrees to pay in 12 installments without any interest. Here each installment being twice the preceding one. So each installment is being twice the preceding one means R equal to 2. We don't know the first installment. So A equal to X. And in 12 installments, that's why N equal to 12. And S12 equal to 32,760. You see the information. We need to find first of all A. Then we can find second and last installments. So S12 equal to A into R power 12 minus 1 by R minus 1. That implies 32,760. Here we don't know X. Here R 2. So 2 power 12 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to 32,760. X. 2 power 12. 2 power 10 means 1024 into 4. 4096 minus 1 equal to 32,760. So x into 4095 equal to 32,760. So x equal to 32,760 by 4095. 4 8 32, that's why here 8. 95 into 8 equals 760. 4 8s are 32. Okay, here the first installment is 8 rupees. If you observe once again, Mr. Alex borrows 32,760 without interest and agrees to pay in 12 monthly installments. So each installment is being twice the preceding one. I mean, one is A means 2A, 4A, 8A, and so on. So here R is clearly 2. A first installment we don't know, that's why that is X. In 12 installments we have to pay back. That's why N equal 12. The total money 32,760 in 12 installments. That's why S12 equal to 32,760. S12, here R is greater than 1, that's why A into R power N minus 1 by R minus 1. Here N is 12, R is 2. So X into 2 power 12 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to 32,760. Here 2 power 12 till 2 power 10 we know 1024, 2048, 4096. 4096 is 2 power 12. So 4096 minus 1 means 4095. Divided by 2 minus 1 means 1 only. Divided by 1 means nothing. So 4095. X into 4095 equal to 32,760. Okay. Then X equal to 32,760 by 4095. 4 8 32 and 95 into 8 equals 761. That's why 8. 8 is the first installment. But we need second and last installment. Second and last installment. Second installment T2 equal to AR. A mean 8, R mean 2. That's the second installment is 8 rupees. Last installment in 12 installment, that's why T12 is the last one. So AR power 11, A mean 8 into 2 power 11. So 8 into 2048, which means 8 8 64, 32 plus 6 38, 3 60. So 16,384 is the last installment. 16,384 is the last installment. Second installment is T2, that is AR. Second installment nothing but second term. Last installment means 12 installments in total. That's why T12 is the last installment, that is AR power 11. A mean 8, R mean 2, 2 power 11 means 2048. 8 into 204 equal to 16,384. In this way we can find the results. Have a nice day. Bye.